Every year, thousands of aspirants prepare for CLAT but still miss that mark. It's not because they didn't work hard enough. It's because they made a few small but fatal mistakes. Hi guys, this is Raghav from NLTI, and today we are going to talk about the 4 mistakes that can silently ruin your CLAT prep, and we are going to make sure that you don't repeat these. Mistake 1. Not understanding the actual CLAT pattern. A lot of students jump into the CLAT preparation without going through the previous year CLAT papers. They just follow random advice, they just start doing one-liners which is not asked in the CLAT exam as such. How to fix it? Before starting your CLAT preparation, go through at least 3 previous year question papers for CLAT and follow the pattern. Follow what they are asking, follow what is the most asked in the exam, follow which type of questions, which pattern of questions are the most frequently asked questions in the exam. Understand how passages look and what actually matters. It's very simple. You can't play the game if you don't know the actual rules. Mistake 2. Taking mocks without analyzing them. Giving mocks feels productive, but it's meaningless if you don't know why you got specific questions wrong. Most toppers spend as much of their time attempting the exam as they do in analyzing the exam. How to fix it? After every mock, analyze it properly, review each and every section, review each and every question, and mark the questions under 3 categories. Was it a concept error? Was it a decision error? Or was it a reading mistake? Write what you'll do differently next time and it'll stick with you forever. Mocks don't raise marks, analysis does. Next mistake, ignoring weak sections. It's tempting to only study what you enjoy. It can be reading comprehension, it can be critical reasoning, but you've got to do what frustrates you. Is it GK? Is it maths? You've got to cover everything, because that's where maximum marks are lost. How to fix it? Build a balanced schedule. Keep your strong areas warm, but spend at least 30-40 minutes a day on your weak areas. Toppers improve because they repair, not repeat. Mistake 4, and one of the most fatal mistakes, following too many sources but zero revision. Another common trap, collecting endless mock PDFs, capsules, compendiums. You know a bit of everything, but you are a master of none. How to fix it? Stick to maximum 2 mock test series, 1 reliable GK compendium, and 1 reliable source of previous year question papers. Keep revising the same material till it becomes second nature. Remember this, depth always beats volume in CLAT. Why these mistakes cost so much? Studying outdated content wastes months. Skipping analysis means repeating errors. Skipping studying your weak areas means losing easy marks. No revision is equal to poor recall in the exam. Together, these mistakes can easily cost you 20-25 marks. That's the gap between missing the cutoff and entering into a top NLU. How to turn it around? Start small but be consistent. First week, review your plan and align it with your actual syllabus. Analyze each mock even if it takes 3-4 hours of your time. Every day, touch each and every section even if it's just 20 minutes. Every week, cut the unnecessary clutter, revise, don't collect. The goal isn't to study more, it's to study correctly and smartly. So to conclude, CLAT doesn't punish hard work, it punishes unplanned work. Avoid these mistakes, and you've already done what 80% of the aspirants won't. Preparation is not about chaos, it's about clarity. One good strategy beats 10 random ones. Thank you.